Manda to rike to go only go for that matter. To rike to go take baby to go nya usase ya.
Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to you. Welcome to a new day and a new program. This is a Biafra breaking news media. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not and turn on the notification button to stay tuned anytime I upload a new video. Let's look at the new development in Orlu today. Like you know, in the custom of Nigerian security agencies, though being a parastatal under the government of Nigeria, we understood and we all know that the political or the powers that be or the powers that control the political affairs of Nigeria are the brain behind whatever activities that is going on in Nigeria. And of course, it's obvious that it's just in line with the Islamization agenda. That is why you see them on daily basis. They will leave where the security agencies are supposed to focus, like the current insurgency going on in the north as a result of the activities of Boko Haram, the ravaging activities of Fulani herdsmen, Maetiala, and the rest of them that are highly ranked all over the globe as number first to third to fourth terrorist organization in the world, and rather choose to constantly intimidate the component parts of Nigeria into submission to their Islamization agenda. So this morning, a lot of videos of house-to-house research that is going on in Orlu surfaced, as you just watched, is on the basis of the fact that the military, as deployed from OBI-IGBO, believed that Eastern Security Network agencies or members are not going to be around Orlu province. So the point here is they believe that the surroundings of Orlu are harboring them. That is the strategic analysis. So they believe that the communities around Orlu are harboring them or something of that nature, that they are not actually inside the bush as are claimed. And of course, normally, any country that felt that they have threat from a particular something, just like they believe that ESN is a threat to them because ESN is objecting the outright invasion of Old Eastern Region forest by this terrorist group piloted by Maetiala called Fulani herdsmen. So the point is, if they are looking for them for having attacked them as are claimed, let them go into the bushes and not destroying innocent houses. As you can see in the video you watched, the doors of those houses was damaged by these people. You know, we are not even talking about the fact that the privacy of the people in question were not recognized. Normally, we all know that Nigerian Constitution and the law, the agencies that were established to carry out the activities as enshrined in those constitutions are not actually working. On the other news, I would like you to watch how police people are molesting innocent Orlu citizens. This is uncalled for. The kids you are going to watch in this video don't even have the capacity to challenge one person as an elderly person, let alone military personnel. So you can agree with me that the people you will see in this video don't even look, they are not adults. to start with. You can see both young girl and those group of boys being molested by these police people just on the basis of intimidation, because they're actually not the people they are looking for. If you're looking for Eastern Security Network, they said, come to the bush. That's where we are. We are not running. We are not afraid. And the military releasing statement saying that they can't go to the bush. They don't know their plans. A whole military of a country. That will tell you that the major reason why they were sent down to the east is not just to look for the Eastern Security Network as acclaimed. It's simply to terrorize the communities and the inhabitants into submission. But God will always protect us. Take a look at the video. Share your views, share your comment, like, subscribe.